Sometimes we wish we could turn back time, not to change anything, but simply to feel a moment once more, to see a place again that left a mark on our hearts, to walk a path once more that filled us with wonder. Join me on a journey backwards to a place full of magic, Lanzarote, and the wonders of Jameos del Agua. Just a few more steps, and yet it feels as if